This time Sauté will make Wingstick Chicken Katsu Curry. Wingsticks are an affordable ingredient in Japan.
Oh, it's exciting.
Prepare the vegetables. Château carrot. Remove the skin and the stem from the carrots. Cut the carrots into long, thin strips and bevel them to prevent them from losing shape.
Château carrot. The name comes from the fact that the French novelist and politician Chateaubriand ordered his chef to make shaped potato for a thick grilled steak called Chateaubriand.
Cut onions into strips. Remove any drippings from the meat with a kitchen towel. Cut the muscle strips from the chicken wing sticks and shape them into tulips. Season with salt and pepper. Sauté the vegetables. Sauté the shaped carrots and onion in butter. In a separate pan, sauté the chicken wing sticks in butter for about 5 minutes. When the onions are browned, transfer them to a pot. Add 800 milliliters water and simmer for 20 minutes. Remove the scum from the pot. Turn off the heat and add the curry roux. Simmer. Make the chicken cutlets. Cut the muscle strips from the chicken wing sticks and shape them into tulips. Season with salt and pepper. Coat with flour.
Adding oil provides a crispy texture.
Beat the egg. Prepare the breadcrumbs. Dip the chicken in the egg and coat it with the breadcrumbs. Deep fry at 160 degrees for 6 minutes. When cooked, take the chicken out of the pan and let it rest for a few minutes. Fry again at 180 degrees for 2 minutes. The chicken cutlets are done. Serve in an almond shape with rice. Put the curry on one side. Put the chicken katsu on the other side. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Wow.
It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it.
Thank you very much for your watching.
I tried the decoration of the chicken wing sticks but got nowhere.